Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily disable proxy settings in Windows 11. This video is pretty straightforward, so if you're gonna enjoy it and it's going to help you, you can write down below in the comments. So what you can do is go to bottom and right click on a start and then go to settings. Right then under Bluetooth and devices, click network and internet. And here you're gonna have the Ethernet VPN and everything. And then under airplane mode, you're gonna have proxy. And here you can just simply stop and have off and on if you want to. But you turn it off and then use the proxy server off. You want to click setup and have it and off. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye. This is how you can disable proxy settings in Windows 11.